Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to talk to y'all about these three new Model 1s Color Cube 9 color palettes. If you guys watched my most recent haul video, one of the things that I purchased was yet another vinyl record Color Cube. I love it. And I also mentioned that the day I filmed that, Model 1s was dropping these three brand new palettes. Now, what's new and fabulous about these is that Model 1s has teamed up with three folks in the industry, famous types of folks. And before I dive into each one of these folks, let me just quickly talk about the packaging, because they have done a little bit of extra packaging. Most of, or actually all of the Model 1's color cubes come packaged in this box with the beautiful hollow trim and the hollow text. But for this collaboration, they have put each one in a special little sleeve. It's beautiful. It also has the hollow that mimics, the main packaging. This is Tom Bachek's palette, and his is called Rich Girl Retro, which of course I will be opening, and I will be swatching for y'all. On the side it says a ride of emotions, choose your vibe, and then on this side it gives you a little indicator of what the colors are going to be inside the palette, because on the basic, I call it the basic, but the typical packaging, there's no name for what the palette is. You have no idea what colors are in here. So I'm really excited that they have added this little extra touch to this sort of trio of celebrity influencers and this campaign. So this is the Unlock and Unleash campaign, and all three of them say that on the back. So let me just run through quickly who each of these folks are. Tom Bachek, if you do not know, Model 1s has teamed up with Tom Bachek, and he is a celebrity nail artiste. He be working on folks like J-Lo, yes honey, he be doing her Oscars nails, and Selena Gomez. He's worked with Taylor Swift. He does celebrity wedding nails. I think he even did J-Lo's wedding nails. He be flying all over the place. He does like runway shows, Chanel fashion shows, and that kind of a thing. So if you go to his Instagram, and I'll have everybody's info linked down below, you can see him backstage. Literally, the girls are in the chair getting hair and makeup done, and here he is off to the side. He is definitely a professional. So that is who Tom Bachek is. Saxon Joaco is an actress, and her collab with Model 1s, her little palette is called Color Confidence. And this is Joaco Vasquez's, and his is a pretty unique one. And if you don't know who Joaco Vasquez is, he is an influencer. He's a beauty influencer, lifestyle and fashion influencer. So we'll put these two off to the side and start with Mr. Bachek's palette here. This one, Tom's, is giving me holiday vibes, and I think you'll agree when you see this gorgeous palette. Of course, all of the Model 1's Color Cube palettes come packaged with the instructions. So if you're brand new to the solid cream gel game, hey, all your info is going to be in there. Of course, every palette is going to come with a brand new brush. I probably have 50 of these by now. So this is Tom Bachek's Rich Girl Retro palette. Heading into fall and these holiday manis, yeah, this is going to be perfect. Let your true color shine. As always, these come with little sticky covers just to protect the product. Water droplets or bubbles upon unpackaging are normal and won't affect usage. Now, I will tell you this, because I have, of course, a million of these, and I store them this way in a little makeup palette organizer. The way I store these, sometimes, here we go, sometimes you can see this product this is just like the clear. This stuff does tend to run out, so occasionally you may need to open your palette and just take some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and just wipe all of this off, because over time this, I'm sure, will come all the way down and it could start to leak. So just a little heads up there. More joy, more coloring life. Let's go ahead and get this little guy open. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, holy Toledo Batman. I don't know. Does Robin say that? I don't know. Look at these flipping colors. I'm telling y'all. Hello Christmas. Hello fall. Ugh, just absolutely beautiful. This one I'm loving, and this neutral right here. Oh, stunning. This I can already tell you, this is going to be the color that's going to look amazing on every skin tone. Yes, get in my life. This is a beautiful like little magenta, and then you have a royal purple, and this is like a toffee almost, or caramel brown, and then you're going to have a gold, possibly a champagne leading gold shimmer right there. Two shimmers here. I mean, just this is gorge. That is Rich Girl Retro Palette by none other than Mr. Tom Bachek. Now let's move on to Ms. Saxon Joaco. Hers is Color Confidence, and I did a little bit of research on her IGs. And when she introduced this palette in a reel, I think that she did on her IGs. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just beautiful. She picked out 3 of her favorites from this palette, and she chose this one. And they have names. They're not on the back, of course, but they all do have individual names. She chose this one, and I know this one is called like a tea green or a green tea or something. This was a cherry, called cherry something. So this is her palette. I'm already living for this stunning teal. This is like a burgundy. Look at this. It's very soft. Is that like a peachy pink shimmer? Beautiful. Again, several colors that can take you right on into fall. Absolutely beautiful. I would consider this to be like a pink leaning neutral. You know I love me some Pruglies, so I am eyeballing this mustard, honey. Gorgeous palette. So again, Miss Saxon Joaco is Color Confidence. Now let's move on into Joaco Vasquez and see what he be up to. Here's what we can expect from his palette. Beautiful. I think I'm seeing some shimmers here. Again, this is the Unlock and Unleash. Oh, buddy. Yes. Whoo. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at this stunning shifty shimmer. Love the blue of my dreams. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this color blue. This just has a little bit of everything. Summertime fun neon-y colors. I have a pink shimmer with some or a pink, probably a pink jelly with some purpley blue shifting shimmer in there. And this one looks to be just like a clear shimmer. Silver, black, love. Again, this is the Pretty Unique One palette brought to us by Joaco Vasquez. I'm going to swatch a few of these on my little trusty pop sticks over here. I'm going to swatch a couple from each palette, and then I am going to try to do one nail, at least one nail, based on a design that I have seen on their Instagrams. But yeah, sit tight. I'm just going to walk you through some swatches, and then at the tail end, I'll show you a few designs that I'm going to do. So hang out with me and just kick back and grab a drink. So there you have it, y'alls. My flowers are terrible. You know, I don't know why I've always struggled using a dotting tool, but there you go. But you get the idea, right? You know what I was going for. Really, the happiest with the one in the middle with my little cherry. I don't understand how, because it's so tiny and so macro, and somehow I managed to pull that off. I really got overconfident over here. I should have cured my lashes and then gone in with the lash line, because I screwed up my lash line and I could not wipe that away without taking off the lashes too. So I have a bit of a wonky eyeball, but that's it. I mean, these are just 3 ideas inspired by nail art that I have seen on all 3 of these influencers' Instagrams. So again, from left to right, Tom Baychik's palette is Rich Girl Retro. Saxon Joaco's there in the middle is Color Confidence. And Joaco Vasquez's over here on the right with the little eye is the Pretty Unique One palette. So Rich Girl Retro, Color Confidence, Pretty Unique One. Y'all, don't forget to use my discount code MONAIL20 when you go shopping at theoldmodelones.com. Go ahead and pick up 1, 2, or perhaps all 3 of these little palettes. And that's gonna do it for me. If you stuck around this long, the keyword is cherries. Look at those cute little cherries. The keyword is cherries. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.